Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, we're going to be tackling one of the biggest mysteries in the tech world today. The question that's been keeping everyone on the edge of their seats: will there be a Windows 12? I know you've probably been hearing all sorts of rumors and speculations about Windows 12. But, let's cut through all the noise and get to the facts. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back and relax as we dive into the exciting world of Windows and find out if there really will be a Windows 12. Windows is one of the most popular and widely used operating systems in the world. It's been around for decades and has come a long way from its humble beginnings. Windows 1.0 was released in 1985, and since then, we've seen numerous versions of Windows, each one bringing new and improved features. But the big question on everyone's mind is, will there be a Windows 12? Well, the short answer is, we don't know for sure. Microsoft, the company behind Windows, has not officially confirmed or announced the existence of Windows 12. However, Microsoft has a pattern of releasing a new version of Windows every 3 years. So, it's safe to say that a new version of Windows may be in the works. But, until Microsoft confirms it, everything is just speculation. So, let's say Windows 12 does exist. What can we expect from it? Well, if history repeats itself, we can expect Windows 12 to bring new and improved features, just like every other Windows release. But, it's too early to say for sure what those might be. However, we can take a look at the recent release of Windows 11 to get an idea of what kind of features we might see in Windows 12. Windows 11 brought some exciting improvements, like a new design, faster performance, and better multitasking capabilities. It also introduced new virtual desktops and an improved start menu. It's possible that Windows 12 might continue down the same path and bring even more improvements and new features. But, at this point, it's all speculation. The only thing we know for sure is that Microsoft is always working on improving its operating system, so there's no telling what the future holds. Microsoft is known for constantly working on improving the user experience and fixing any bugs or glitches. They are always working on ways to make Windows faster, more reliable and user-friendly. So, whether or not there will be a Windows 12, it's safe to say that Microsoft will always be working on improving their operating system. So, there you have it. Will there be a Windows 12? The truth is, we don't know for sure. But, if history repeats itself, it's definitely possible. And if it does, we can expect new and improved features, just like we have with every other Windows release. But until Microsoft confirms anything, we'll just have to wait and see. But, one thing's for sure, Microsoft is always working on making their operating system better, so the future is looking bright for Windows users. So, that's all for today's episode of Tech Talk. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates and news. Until next time, stay tech savvy.